Hello and welcome to the week that was in manufacturing, where TM's editorial team sit down to discuss some of the biggest issues to come out of the UK manufacturing sector this week. I'm Victoria Fitzgerald, Deputy Editor, and this is Johnny Williamson, our Web Editor. So let's kick off with EEF's latest report in conjunction with Lombard, which shows Britain's manufacturers are planning to invest in a range of areas in the next 2 years in a bid to boost productivity. Johnny, can you elaborate on this?
The survey shows manufacturers' investment in the latest machinery has grown rapidly in recent years, and that's to keep up with rising demand and to make good on past cutbacks. The research shows more growth in investment and machinery and equipment to come, but probably at a slower pace to reflect a switch in focus to intangibles, and that's things such as training, recruitment, R&D, software and marketing. Now, the findings also reflect that productivity is the key driver of investment, with 95% of companies surveyed spending to try and improve productivity within their business.
So it's encouraging to see that manufacturers are navigating their way around the productivity puzzle. So in other news, CBI has announced that Carolyn Fairbairn is to become the new Director General. So can you tell us a little bit more about her background?
Yeah, Fairbairn is a former Director of Strategy at both the BBC and ITV and currently holds a number of non-executive positions. These include with global outsourcer Capita, small cap manufacturer Vitec, Lloyds Banking Group, the Competition and Markets Authority and the UK Statistics Authority. Now, she reportedly plans to step down from all of her current non-exec directorships when she takes up her role at the CBI, but she's going to remain a trustee of the charity Mary Curie.
And of course she takes over from John Cridland, so pretty big shoes to fill.
Yep, in November she'll take the reins from Cridland, who's led the CBI since early 2011 and has actually served the organisation for more than 30 years. Now, among a number of his worthwhile achievements, he's been a passionate advocate for an education system that delivers for all young people, and his clarion call to get more businesses involved in education across every level has really resonated in boardrooms across Britain.
And finally, new figures released today by the Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders confirm the growing strength of the UK automotive industry. So Johnny, what more can you tell us on this?
Well, this is their 16th annual sustainability report, and it confirms the sector is really breaking new records, with turnover hitting an all-time high of 69.5 billion in 2014. It also showed that manufacturing output, vehicle sales, jobs and export values all grew, while conversely the environmental impact from vehicle production has been reduced dramatically.
And this comes, of course, at the same time that McLaren have released their profitability results for 2014.
Yeah, that's right. McLaren has announced a second consecutive year of profitability. So the company ended 2014 with record sales, as it has done every year since it began producing its current range of cars back in 2010.
Excellent, some really interesting news there. And of course, don't forget that you can read all about these stories and more, including in-depth features and articles at themanufacturer.com, as well as staying up to date by following TM on Twitter at themanufacturer. And on a final note, TM's Top 100 2015 nominations will close on the 31st of July. So if you know someone who is making a marked difference in manufacturing, then please nominate them now. That's all we've got time for. So thanks to Johnny, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.